We are installing a shop front over in Wallington, Stafford Road, number 163 Stafford Road, for Revolution Trade Frames and Duo Design and Fit. We're going to be installing this, but let me show you this absolutely awesome showroom that they've got. You can come in here and get some absolutely fantastic windows. Come and sit by the fireplace. We'll have a meeting by the table. And as you can see, they've got some absolutely fantastic bits of homeware. You can have a kitchen like this, etc. All your appliances. Absolutely brilliant. Really nice bit of flooring. But we are not here to talk windows. We're here to talk resin. Out here, we are installing what is going to be a 4-colour resin frontway. So we've got Bastille, Charleston Stone, Colorado and Blue Lagoon. We are going to be installing these in stripes across the frontage of this showroom. So we're going to do a time lapse on this to show you what we do, and obviously you're going to see the finished product. I'm really looking forward to seeing this, and if you want to have a look, please pop down and come and have a look. And if you're interested, obviously, in some windows, a kitchen, some doors, some flooring, then give these guys a shout because they are amazing. So yeah, let's get this on, let's get mixing, and you'll see what this is about. So we have finished, as you can see from the time lapse, how we've laid this absolutely awesome piece of resin at the front of Revolution Trade Frames and Duo Design and Fit. We used aluminium trims to create the separation of the resin blends, and I'm going to introduce to you in a second Will from Duo Builders, who is the man that has got us in to do it and has this fantastic showroom of awesome products for your home. So Will, if you'd like to come in, and this is Will from Duo Builders. If you'd like to say a bit about yourself, what you do, how you do it.
Yeah, so the shop is kitchens, wardrobes and interiors. So we're a one-stop shop. You can get everything here, and as you can see, you can get your doors here, kitchens, wardrobes, flooring and your resin. That you can see here, the different colours we're displaying. Looks amazing. Really happy with the job. And it's clean, sleek, and it matches the interiors and the exteriors of this doors. So yeah, really nice job.
So Will, how have you found working with myself and Right Pave and the guys?
Really well. Great communication through the whole process, picking the colours, coming over, recommending what to do as well. And as you can see, clean job, tidy, working with the public because it's such a busy road. And it's turned out fabulous. Really happy. 10/10.
Thank you very much, Will. Look, Will, you've been an absolute pleasure to work alongside, and I've been able to see by how Will works and how he's worked alongside us that Duo Design and Fit and Duo Builders are at the top of their game. And I've seen, look, we've showed you through, obviously, earlier on in this video, the stuff in the showroom. So please get down. It's 163 Stafford Road, Wallington, South Croydon. It's near Croydon, near Sutton. So anyone who's local, please pop in, see Will. He will look after you, and you can come in and see this fantastic showroom. Also, pop along, have a look at the resin. You can sample in real life the blends. This is a Vuba blends that we use, an absolutely phenomenal resin. So I think you'll agree what a difference it's made and what an absolute change. So this has been a really good project. Really enjoyed. Thank you very much, Will.
No
You've been an absolute gentleman.
Well.
Thank you. Right, guys, so if you like what you see, come down and check out the showroom, or Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, website. Give us a call, and the front or the rear of your home could look like this. Thank you very much. We'll see you in the next video.